Hello everyone, you all are welcome back again to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making ginger butter toast, and if you enjoy watching this video, please like and share. So take out your mixing bowl or a soup plate, then add in your soft butter, and after that add ginger powder, add your black pepper powder, dried parsley leaf, mix herbs and spice, then use your spatula to properly mix together. So since I'm using salted butter, there is no need of adding salt again. After mixing, set it aside. So to make this toast, you need 6 slices of bread, then arrange them on your chopping board, then spread the butter mixture on the bread. So next, spread your cheese on top of each slices of bread. So since I'm using a block cheese, I'll be using my grater to grate the cheese. But if you are using a crumb cheese, just spread it on each top of the sliced bread. And after that, take out one of the slices of the bread, spread the butter mixture on it, then place it on top of the cheese. Repeat the same process with the rest of the 2 slices of bread. So next, take out your air fryer pan, then arrange the bread in the air fryer pan, then toast the bread for about 5 to 6 minutes. So this is my bread toast after 6 minutes. Take it out and repeat the same process with the remaining bread. So finally guys, my ginger butter French toast is ready. I'll go ahead and serve and enjoy my breakfast. If you enjoyed this recipe, you can also try it at home and tell us what you think about it on the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Also like and share this video. A big shout out to all my old and new subscribers. Thanks for always supporting this channel. Bye.